Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already made a copy, now act. Select the column with messy text and add a helper column to the right. Enter the first formula, equals rejects replace, A2 \W\S, to strip typical punctuation and symbols. Once done, wrap with trim to remove extra spaces, equals trim, rejects replace A2 \W\S. Make sure to copy the formula down the helper column so every row updates automatically. Next, refine results with layered functions. Combine clean to strip non-printing characters, equals trim, clean, rejects replace, A2 \W\S. If you have non-breaking spaces, add substitute, equals trim, substitute clean, rejects replace, A2 \W\S. Char 160. Use array formula for whole columns, equals array formula if A2 equals your formula here, so new rows inherit cleanup. This approach handles most invisible or unusual characters without manual inspection. Finalize by converting helper results into real values. Copy the helper column and paste special values only over the original column. Once done, delete helper columns and verify samples. For bulk tasks, create a short app script to run rejects replace at scale and schedule it. If something goes wrong, identify stubborn characters using equals array formula, unique, code mid, A2 row indirect, 1, and len A2, 1, to find problematic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.